Hey, what's up, guys and gals? What's up, Hot Wheel lovers? Welcome back to 164 Scale Racing. We're up by the Dollar Tree today and got a pretty good little haul here. Figure we show them to you. Let's get started. First up, got a 1988 Jeep Wagoneer. And a bad looking Jeep. And we got the 69 Corvette Racer. Valentine's Day car. I got a couple of these old Valentine racers. Out of the Celebration Racers. We got a good looking Dodge Power Wagon. A beautiful lime green. Nice looking truck. We got a El Viento. Or Viento or something. It's from the X Racers. A special feature. I guess the dome lifts up on it, what it looks like. El Viento. We got a 94 Audi Avant RS2. Some tail lights. Some headlights. HW70s versus 90s. See it there. Not bad. We've got the 2024 Mustang Shelby GT500. T500. Don't look bad, does it? That's what it's like. Mustang 60. And we got the Oracle Red Bull Racing. I think I already have one. Picked up another one. It's from the Trax Races. And this is new for 2025. I got a twin mill Gen E. Ain't bad looking. Celebration Racers also. Not bad looking at all. And we got the Street Shrieker. Street Shrieker from Hot Wheels Let's Race. New for 2025. Street Shrieker. And we got the HW50 Concept. Got the old monster on it. Then we got a High Roller 2. Now I don't know for sure, but this might come in as super, but I don't know. It might not. I think it does, but I'm not sure. From the HW Art Cars. Then we got a new Roger Dodger. Hot Wheels Let's Race. The new Roger Dodger. Look at that. New Roger Dodger. Don't look too bad. And we got a Mercedes-Benz 500E. Dark metallic green. Got a nice front on it. Nice tail lights. I don't know why they detail more cars out than they do some others. Don't know. But anyway, that's Mercedes. Got the new Porsche 911 GT3. Not bad looking. Not bad looking at all. What it looks like. We've got the Lamborghini Huracan, Sterrato. It's one of them. It's out of the Safari mode. Whatever that is. Not bad looking though. And we got, and get it out of the bag, got a High Roller from the Rod Squad. A High Roller from the Rod Squad. There. Don't look too bad. And then last, got a new for 2025 Super Twin Mill. Now to me, this is one of the best looking twin mills that they got out. I like that red, white, and blue. It's pretty sporty. To me, it's the best twin mill. What y'all think? Nice. Excited to Hot Wheels Let's Race. But anyway, it's all my cars. Appreciate you watching. Hit that like button and subscribe. Check out my other videos at 1/64 Scale Racing, please. And I'll be back with more. Thank you.